Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to customize your Windows 11 desktop to make it both beautiful and productive. So let's get started. So step 1, choose an inspiring wallpaper. Firstly, we are going to settings. Here you will see personalization. We can click on background and select any background you want, or you can choose download it from Google also. So here you will select slideshow window spotlight also. Here are all the options, or customize your own wallpaper with the help of picture. So the next is customize theme and colors. You can simply scroll down and click on contrast themes. You can choose theme according to your choice. Again, we are going to personalization and select on colors. Here you will see accent colors. Accent color is like options, buttons, and you can go for automatic also. This will help to automatic wallpaper. You can switch between light or dark also theme according to your eyes, which you best. Step 3, organize desktop icon. We are in the desktop and click on right click, view. Here you will see auto arrange icons option. Click on that. All icons will be auto arranged. You will see in view, align icon to grind, show desktop icon or hide desktop icon. Both options available in view option. The next is customize the taskbar and widgets. We are click on right click on taskbar, go to taskbar settings. Here you will see the search icon, task view, widgets, all the items here. Simply click on search icon and label. If you don't need, you can hide. If you only need search box, you can click on search box. According to your preference, you can select. Here you will on or off visits. You will see visits.